With a new outdoor exhibiting space at ConExpo 2020, Caterpillar took full advantage. At the heart of its massive 60,000 square foot booth was Operator Stadium, a massive arena chock full of the latest yellow iron. What's going on, everyone? I'm Wayne Grayson, and you're watching Equipment World, where each week we bring you videos on the latest in construction equipment, trucks, and gear. So inside Operator Stadium, CAT hosted its Global Operator Challenge Finals. If you haven't seen our video on that, go ahead and check it out. But inside Operator Stadium, CAT also hosted an equipment demo show that spanned nearly its entire lineup of machines. In this video, we've compiled several scenes from that equipment demo show to give you an idea of what the show was like. So I'm gonna shut up now, and let's get into it.
Appreciate that, bro.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's my favorite part of the morning. We get a little bro wave here with the loaders. This is what we're going after. So, Chad, we're going to start with a little tandem loading. Tell me why that's a big deal here.
Well, it's a big deal because it's the fastest way to move material for our customers in our quarries and mine type situation. So we're trucked up right now. We got enough truck to keep our loaders going. Sometimes it's one loader, sometimes it's an empty.
Why is that?
Yeah, it's completely intentional. I mean, we got 165 dealers across the globe, and all of those dealers have a broader range of customers, and those customers have a broader range of applications. So we've got systems that fit all of those applications. The 972 is a mechanical drive system. The 930 is a hydraulic transmission drive system. Works out great in different applications. 972 with that power shift transmission with lock-up clutch helps with heat and wear and tear in like a load and carry or a heavy loading situation. Really going to keep that machine reliable for our customers for years and years to come. The 930 is a hydrostatic transmission. It provides seamless torque and speed.
That's cool, buddy. Chad, it seems like there's a lot of different applications you can use these in.
Yeah, and CAT has systems for every single application. So let's say your job site, maybe you got an inch rain in Las Vegas and you know it's pretty wet, cohesive material. He knows, like for example, Nathan in the 972, he knows he's got one more bucket essentially to throw on that truck, and with a solid red, we know we've hit our target payload. And that's extremely important for a couple different reasons. One, if you underload that truck 15, 20, 30 times a day, how much production are you missing out on? Sure. You know, if you're missing 1 or 2 or whatever tons, that's a big deal at the end of the day, and that's even bigger deal at the end of the year. So this helps our operators making sure they're hitting their production targets. But then the same thing happens if you overload it over a period of time. If you overload that truck every single time, you're going to increase wear and tear and then increase your own operating costs.
Can I talk about one cool feature on this truck?
Of course. Of course.
All right. How about the assisted hoist feature? I love that as an operator. So what that does is, you know, when I get ready to use material, basically I activate the feature which is on the console. If I go to neutral, basically a sunset the park brake, all I have to do is flip the switch and it automatically applies the park brake, goes to full RPM and comes to bed. That's pretty nice. Then all I have to do is go to drive, pull forward a little bit, go back to neutral, and then hit the lower hoist button, and then it automatically lowers, goes to full RPM, does it all for me. So that's really nice.
Man, that is cool. You make that look so easy. Speaking of easy, did you guys see the 325 just crawl on in here with Speedo at the controls? Good morning, Speedo.
Hey, good morning to you, brother. I worked for that one a little bit today.
You did, I can tell. Voice, you're playing a little different. All right, tell us about the 325 and what you like about it.
All right, so the 325 comes through big today, getting up the hill back here with that extra power. Same exact cab that we got on that 395 that's sitting out front. So if anybody hadn't had a chance to get out there and look at that, definitely get in there. And man, that's a once in a lifetime opportunity to sit and see that. And you know, the same exact cab that I'm in here. So programmable joystick buttons. You set this machine up to exactly what I want. So a lot of things on there. There you go, Josh. A lot of options for me as in the seat as the operator. So I'm going to quickly turn on payload, push of a button, and I'm going to start tracking exactly how much dirt I put in this truck. You know, with the compact for our customers in these things. One of the nice ones also getting in that tight area is that E-fit, so I can set that up and not have to worry about that machine getting to a location I don't want. easily set that up as a monitor and turn it on and off. Lots of options. Great low owning and operating costs, just $325, and really encourage you guys to come back after 3 o'clock, maybe give a Brian deal or Brian Stelbry and get your questions in.
Speaking of you, how about that 440 you just rolled in? Tell us a little bit about that. What makes those hand controls on the seat so important?
Yeah, that's a great question. So essentially, the controls move with the seat, giving Tyler absolute control regardless of the terrain, regardless of what he's digging through. It works out perfect.
So it's very versatile. It just helps you get more productive throughout the day. You tie that in with the blade that's up front of this thing. So I would need to pick up 10,000 pounds. And for such a small machine, it's kind of like Tyler. We call him Big Rock. You know, he can pick up a lot, so can this thing. You know, so 10,000 pounds up to 8 feet high, that's a game changer.
It really is. It also seems like Cat's really paying attention to the automotive industry, trying to use a lot of the new standards that they're bring them over to the operator. Am I correct that thing's got Bluetooth in it?
You better believe it. So it's right here in this one hand. I wanted to set up a little playlist on my phone so I can completely ready to go. What better than a little purple rain for today?
That's a great one. Because I know you guys are thinking about partying like it's 1999 later, so good thing with that. We also got the 150 out. This one's one of my favorites. I love getting them posted at Edwardsville Training Center. Josh, I know you love the 150. Why don't you tell everybody why?
You're right, bro. I absolutely love this machine. Before I talk a little bit about the features of this business, I just want everybody to know that the Caterpillar motor product line is all about voices today. So, you know, this machine, obviously the 150, completely joystick control for the steering and all of the implements. They also have another choice for the steering wheel lever machine. A lot of customers have been talking to this week that know that that's actually available now through Caterpillar, but yes it is. So if you're looking for a joystick machine, this 150 is your machine. If you're looking for steering wheel levers, that 140 that's out right behind gate number 2, I encourage you to go take a look at that thing. It's really nice.
But technology in all of the new machines.
Well, at the end of the day, they need it, they want it. And if you're not making money, it's not going to work out for you very well. CAT is doing a great job of providing them reliable machines and reliable services to help them keep their bottom line as low as possible and bring in that revenue.
For controls and back to the smart attachment, it's really nice having these mirrors on the front. You know, allows me to see how much material I got in there. They got the wings, you know, like around some dirt, I can put it wherever I want, being able to.
Hey guys, it's Wayne again. One quick last thing. If you like this video, please do us a favor and hit that like button below. It really does help us out. And if you want more videos on the latest in construction equipment, trucks, and gear, subscribe to our page and turn on notifications to always so that you're getting the latest updates whenever we drop a new video. Thanks again for watching, y'all, and we will see you next time.